Hello guys, welcome back to the Crypto Moon. I am Adesh and today I am going to be discussing about the Cardano price with you. So let's get started. So when we see at the Cardano trading view chart, it is doing very good. Cardano is in a uptrend, but when we see it the current price actions, we can see a very small correction in the market. We can see it is coming down very small. So this is not a point to panic, because we can see here at 2.9 USDT we have a strong resistance, we have a strong support, and this is helping us. From here we can also go up from here. If we break this trend line, if we break this, we can easily see a 3.6 USDT Cardano. It can happen today or tomorrow maximum. But but if we come down, but if we break this support and come down, then we can come down at maximum at 2.8 USDT, and from here we will bounce back from this support and we can reach the 3.6 USDT for Cardano price. As when we see the VPR of the Cardano, let me reset this chart so you can see it correctly. When I open the VPR for the Cardano, we can see we have a huge volume at the 2.8 USDT, which is very important. If the Cardano price can go down here, we have a very strong support at 2.8 USDT. It will help us to bounce back to the 3.6 USDT. Our current price aim is at 3.6 USDT for Cardano. We can also go up, we can reach $6 in the upcoming weeks for Cardano, but first we need to hit the $3.6 USDT for Cardano. As when we see in the Bitcoin price is doing very good. We can see it is currently in a uptrend. We can see the Bitcoin price is making a descending triangle, as you can see that. And if it is very possible that if that it can break this trend line and go to the 53,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. We can hit the 53,000 US dollars in the upcoming days, or today we can also hit that price point today. Today. But if we come down from here and break this trend and come down, we can reach to the this the 50 EMA line, and if we also break this, we can come down at 47 USDT. But here we have a very strong support and it can help us to go up to goes, but from here we will get slow, and but here also we can reach the 53,000 US dollar price point. But it is very unlikely that we will go down at 47 USDT. It is very possible that we can go up to the 53,000 US dollars from here on here. So if the Bitcoin price to do good, the altcoin price like altcoins like Cardano, XRP, and many other altcoins will also do good, because there are many altcoins follow the chart of the Bitcoin. So if the Bitcoin price goes up, the altcoin price can also go. But if the Bitcoin stay above the 20-day moving average, we can also see a huge pump in the altcoins. If the Bitcoin also goes sideways like this for a long time, we can also see a huge pump in the Cardano price. But if the Bitcoin price go down to the 47,000, like 47,000 USDT, we can also see a market correction in the Cardano and many other altcoins. So we can see a market correction if the Bitcoin price goes down, but do not panic. From the after the market correction, we can all break the all-time highs of the we have also break the all-time highs of the Cardano. And For the Bitcoin price, it is very possible that we can break its all-time high at 62,000 US dollars. It is very possible in the upcoming weeks or months. But we can also see a small market correction in between that time. So do not panic, because market needs to do some correction for going up. So that's all for today.